My name is Sister Diversity Rains, also known as Mother Posterior, of the Abbey of the Lone Cedar Canoe of the Sisters of Perpetual Indulgence in Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada. Well, I'm just over 74, and I joined when I was 70, so that makes it 4 going on 5 years. Because I was called. Yes, both actually. I have been on the board as Reverend Mother, or the President, and as Reverend Mother, Sister Posterior, or something like that. Yeah, which was the pastor, which is a board member as well. And I'm currently a member of the board as the Mistress of Alm and Charity. I've sat on the UNPC Council now for over 2 years, and I'm also helping to mentor several missions. Diversity reigns. Choice between R-E-I-G-N-S or R-A-I-N-S. Being Vancouver, and with diversity and reign, R-A-I-N-S. Wherever there's diversity, the more that we can accept it and cherish it, the more we become broader ourselves, and the more we can even do more. My ministry is to validate diversity in every person I meet.
And how do you do that?
Say hi, how are you? Thank you for being here today. What are you up to today? How are you doing that? Yeah. You're doing a wonderful job. Keep on doing that. Thank you for being you and for being here today making a difference.
And do you do that specifically just in bars, or where do you do your ministry?
Wherever I am, manifested or not. In Maple Ridge, I'm in touch with a lot of the people who are involved in the LGBTQ community throughout the lower mainland, the valley particularly. I'm involved with having set up, working with the, I guess you would call it a pride committee in Maple Ridge, who does an annual barbecue since there was a rainbow crosswalk painted in Maple Ridge. I started off with them helping after their program of the barbecue of holding a vigil for the people in Maple Ridge who felt alone, felt ostracized, particularly attention out to the Muslim community, which is a fairly sizable community there, yeah, and just sharing who we are and what we do with them. I've been involved with working with the United Church, teaching, not teaching, but presenting who the sisters are to them, to the schools. And this year I will be actually doing the blessings and the opening for the Pride ceremony on June the 28th. Spiritually sexy, silly? No. Spiritual. Follow your hearts. Be true to yourself and let the love and joy flow out.